fewer 10 million, fewer than that 15, 20, $100 million. And one of the reasons people think that that's the case is because they think the bigger the number it gets, the harder it is to make that amount of money or to generate that amount of revenue in a business. But the reality is, the bigger the number gets, the easier it gets to generate that revenue. So today, I'm going to talk to you about business skills that can make millions. A few weeks ago, I did a video on skills that make you millions. Well, they were personal skills. Now we're going to talk about business skills. And so as we're talking about the business skills, I'm going to write some on the board. I would recommend highly that you take as many notes as you can, but more importantly than taking notes on what I'm about to show you, if you take action on it, it will change your life for sure. So here we go. The first skill is product innovation. So this is a business skill, product innovation. Now, I want you to notice I said product innovation. I didn't just say innovation. Why is that? Well, because there are only two types of businesses in the world. There's a business that sells a service, there's a business that sells a product. If you start a business that sells a service, you have already limited the amount of wealth you can generate, because when you sell a service, it requires time to fulfill it. Time is something we have in limited supply, so if you desire to create wealth in business, you must figure out a way to disconnect your revenue generation from time. So that's why I said product innovation. Why? Because if I paint houses and I can paint 3 houses a week and I get paid $9,000 every time I paint a house, the most I can generate is $27,000 a week. $27,000 a week sounds like a lot of money if I'm generating $2,700 a week. But if you're already generating $27,000 a week, and you've got payroll, and you've got business expenses, and you have no time, now $27,000 a week doesn't feel like that much money. How many of y'all tracking? So what I'd rather do is I would rather sell a product, because if I sell a product, i.e. a book, if I sell a book, right? That's not what a book looks like. It's almost what a book looks like, right? So if I sell a book for $30, it takes no longer to sell 100 books than it does to sell one. In fact, my biggest book sale ever, I sold a company in 2008, 100,000 From the Trash Man to the Cash Man books. And that sale only took 15 minutes, and it generated $400,000 in revenue in 15 minutes. How many of y'all think that's pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool, right? So if I sell a product, products help me disconnect my revenue generation from time. And if I disconnect my revenue generation from time, I can make more money. So product innovation. Now, when I innovate a product, I have to create a product the marketplace values, not a product that I value. And it has to be a product that the marketplace has an appetite for, even if the marketplace doesn't know it has that appetite. That's why sometimes it's a good idea to do what do they call it? A study where feasibility study, that market survey. The name of it's not coming to me, but we'll call it a feasibility study and a market survey, since you came up with that, and I like both of those. Okay, so we don't do those. We don't ask our clients what products to create. We just observe the marketplace, observe their pain points, observe the pleasure they're seeking but they're not finding, and then we create products to fill those holes. So when you're doing product innovation, the products that you innovate should have at least these 3 qualities. Number 1, it should be something that's desirable. Now, desirable, a lot of beginning entrepreneurs struggle because they think desirable means creating a product they desire to create. Wrong answer, but we do have some nice consolation prizes for you in the back. That is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about creating something the marketplace desires, not something you desire them to desire. I just want to write a book because I want to tell my story. Nobody cares about your story. Nobody wants to read it. Nobody. I'm just going to tell you right now, nobody wants to read your story. The only person who's going to buy your book when you write a story about a book about your story is your mom, and she doesn't want to read it. She's just buying it to help you out because she's your mom. She doesn't want to read it because then she has to relive the whole thing all over again, and it wasn't that much fun for her the first time. So don't write a book about your story. Write a book that has solutions that the marketplace desires. It needs to be desirable. And one of the things is a plate, and I've never seen it empty. It's always full. Why? Because present perceived virtues create present pursued values. When somebody perceives something as being something that's really, really good, people will line up out the door, around the building, cash in hand, ready to pay. So past perceived voids, present perceived virtues, and future pursued visions. Think about how many millions and billions and trillions of dollars a year people spend on college educations. Because they have this vision that when I get this degree, this piece of paper to hang on my wall, what I'm going to be able to do is I'll be able to get a job that'll pay me enough money so I can pay off these loans and I can have the life I've always dreamed of. And then they find out after they go through all of that and spend all that money for that future pursued vision that it doesn't work like that. And they have a college degree and now they have to go get a job at Eddie V's so they can make enough money to pay their college loans. That's real talk, okay? So it needs to be desirable. Those are three things that can create value that make your offer desirable, or your product that you've innovated desirable. Number two, it needs to be, letter B, it needs to be measurable. It's so interesting. I talk to people who have businesses all the time, and I ask them what they do, and they'll give me this drunkalog. And they'll go into this big, long dissertation of word salad, and when they get done, I still have no idea what they do. How many of y'all have experienced that, right? Well, what we do is we promulgate our esoteric cogitations and articulate our super. Stop, bro. I don't even know what you're talking about, right?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, from cold, sunny South Africa. Let us look at our presentation tonight, wherever you are in the world, of Rain BNB. But first of all, I must start off with a warning. I must warn you that the information that's contained in this presentation has the potential to change your life dramatically. But the first question that we need to answer is the million-dollar question that everyone needs to answer himself personally, and that is who wants to fail in life. Oh, sorry, it's just an issue of this thing now. Let me just go back there. The million-dollar question that everybody needs to answer for themselves is who wants to fail in life.
Sorry to stop you. You have not started sharing your screen, my dear. Your screen.
Oh, okay.
Please share your screen.
Let me start over. Okay, there we go now.
Yeah, please continue.
Thank you very much. Sorry for that, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't go much fast or very, very far, but let's start all over. I just want to move this thing here to get to the presentation now. Okay, so now I believe you can all see, right? Welcome to the electrifying world of Rain BNB. First of all, I must start with a warning that this information has the potential to change your life dramatically. And then the first question that we need to ask ourselves is the million-dollar question that who wants to fail in life? And the answer will always be nobody. Nobody wants to fail in life. All right, so the answer is always the same to these questions. Who wants to fail in life and who wants to be rich and successful? And the answer to that is almost everyone. Nobody wants to fail in this life. And when we think about success and wealth, we think about money and finances the first time. That is what we link to success and wealth. So let's have a look at how can you create wealth or even do it on a part-time basis and change your life dramatically, because we know that everyone on this earth needs money for different things, for basic things like food and shelter, education, transport, everyday life, it demands income or money to be spent. So we know that with all the inflation currently in the world going on, that is getting out of hand sometimes. We need money on a constant basis, and here you can build up enormous wealth if you follow the program and follow the basic steps. Right, so but sadly, we see that research has shown that 97% of people worldwide remain mediocre and average, and that only about 3% achieve wealth and success in their lifetime. Right, so although everyone wishes to make big money and to be successful, they do not achieve those goals because of the following reasons. The other have the lack of burning desire. They don't have the correct mindset. They have a poor mindset. They are full of excuses. We sometimes call it excusitis, or they just give up too easily, and they go with the flow because it's easier to just go with the flow and not be unique and to stuck it out or to have that burning desire and to grind it out. Right? They also fail to seize the right opportunity at the right time, or they're doing too much analysis, over-analysis, and we know that leads to paralysis, that you don't take any action at the end of the day. They're looking actually for excuses not to join any opportunity that might make them successful. They also have a lack of trust and transparency in the platforms, or the platforms itself has got a lack of trust and transparency. And you will see now that this is totally not even questionable in RainBnB. All right, there's also an absence of a genuine and a legit system that people can use to generate an income. And RainBnB ticks all these boxes. It's a genuine platform and it's a legit system. And we'll look at the reasons now in the following couple of slides. Right, please forget everything that you have experienced previously in this industry. Now, I know many of us, we have got some experience in platforms and programs that you put your money in, or you invest your money and you get money back. And most of us have been through a scam or a disappointment, and there is nothing that we can do about that. We learn from that and we move on. So if you're going to get stuck and stay on that excuse the whole time, yeah, but this is not going to work because that worked in that way, I'm not going to waste my time to join any other program again ever, then you won't be able to make a success of anything. Basically, you need to move on and you need to be positive and treat each opportunity on its own and individually. And you'll need to study why RainBnB is the perfect platform and the best online platform currently worldwide to make a huge success and a huge income. So we see that here that RainBnB has the potential or the solution for everyone. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity that will last you for a lifetime. And here you will have the chance to make and to earn an exceptional income, whether you even work it full-time or part-time. Right, so RainBnB, in short, is a cutting-edge 21st business model which creates a win-win situation for each and everyone that is involved here. So here you got the chance to build up a business that will pay you for the rest of your life. Right, you will need to work for someone in your life, so why not make that someone yourself? So you can be your own boss. You can decide how you want to work, when you want to work, and where you want to work as well. But you need to pull the trigger and you need to take action. That is how your success will start. And that's the secret of success, is to getting started. If you're just gonna wait for a perfect day or the perfect time, it never happens. There is never a perfect time or perfect day. There will always be excuses or something that happens. So that perfect time is now, actually. It was actually yesterday, but the perfect time is as soon as possible. Right, so what is RainBnB? Now, RainBNB, why is this thing doing this? RainBNB is not a company or a platform that can disappear. It's a community building platform on the OPBNB blockchain. This smart contract of RainBNB is verified. It's immutable. That means it's unchangeable. It's a smart contract built on the OPBNB network, and it runs 100% on the blockchain. That means it's not based on any website, or it's not a website-based platform that somebody can switch off or change or anything. The blockchain cannot be changed, and we'll have more details now or definition of what is blockchain and smart contracts. All right, so this means that nobody owns this. There's no owner of this platform. It cannot be changed or hacked. All right, so all the payments go directly to the members. There's no middleman. There's no admin officer or paymaster that you need to request your withdrawals from, or send an email or a message or anything like that. Yeah, all the payments and the withdrawals is done automatically. You do not have to do anything. Right? You do not follow up. Everything is managed by the smart contract, and you will see in the following slides how it works. Right, this operates 24/7, this platform. It's automatically, even if you sleep, you will earn in your sleep because it operates 24/7 and there's no off time for this smart contract. It doesn't take off. It's not like a human being. It doesn't have holidays. It doesn't have emotions. All right, there's no stoppage of this thing. Nothing can stop this. All right, you can join with a once of 60 Rand or as low as $3. You refer others, you earn instant BNB directly into your wallet. There's no other ways around it. There's no, like in other platforms, you must contact this person or whatever. You just do your registration or your upgrade and you receive your money whenever you qualify for it. Okay, so as your team grows, you unlock bigger levels and bonuses. There is multiple income streams available in RainBNB. And once you are in, you're part of a global system that will reward, that rewards active participation. This is very, very important. All right, it's about empowering people, creating financial freedom, and building a legacy with a system that can never, ever be shut down. And that's also very, very important for you to remember. Nothing can stop the smart contract. Nobody can stop it or phone someone to report it or anything like that because it's on the blockchain. Nobody owns it, actually. That is a big plus for us. All right, it's not a donation or a scam. It's a code verified and public on the blockchain. So this smart contract is verified. It's public on the blockchain. So let's look at the evolution of money. And I just want to stop this thing from moving on. First of all, many years ago, in the prehistoric times, we had the bartering system, where people exchange goods and services directly to each other. Then came commodity money. The ancient civilizations, here they began to trade gold, silver, salt, shells for money even. So yes, then came metal coins around 600 BC. All right, then government started to implementing metal coins as a standard means of making payments to each other. All right, then later on, about the 7th century in China and later in Europe as well, paper money saw the light. And then after that, around 1800s, banking notes and checks came in. All right, then late 20th century, we saw the emergence of digital money. We still use some of these things like credit cards, EFTs, electronic transfers, and online banking. All right, I believe many of us are still using some of these methods of payment. So some of these will take a long time to phase out. But then at the end of around 2009, about 16 years ago, then cryptocurrency came to light and saw the light of the world, right? And decentralized finance. So let's have a look at it. All of these things, we don't use barter system. We do it. Some people still use it, but Most of these things have faded out of current life. So the saying is that whenever you get a transition to a next phase, there's always stories and people ridiculing it, and there's always things about that they don't want to change, they don't believe in it. But we have seen now that cryptocurrencies have proved themselves already in this last couple of years. And it's becoming more popular. And if you still going to go back to the previous ancient centuries, then you're going to stay behind, you're going to stay there basically. You need to adapt with the times. Right, so each step of these were aimed to make money more efficient, portable, durable, divisible, and secure. And I believe the main thing about when it comes to money and finances is to make it secure and not to lose it. All right, and you'll see that, well, we know that cryptocurrency is very secure, that you cannot basically defraud anybody. You cannot reverse any transactions. It's done instantly. So let's carry on with this presentation. So what is blockchain and smart contract? Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. It's transparent, it's secure, and it's tamper-proof. Very important. Nobody can tamper or change anything there. So the chances of fraud happening is basically less than zero. Right, meaning that once the data is recorded, it cannot be changed without a consensus. This makes it ideal for tracking ownership, sending and sending digital money like Bitcoin or BNB, and verifying transactions within or without needing a central authority. That's what makes this decentralized. There's no third party involved here. It's basically peer-to-peer, person-to-person sending money to each other. All right, and now let's look at smart contracts. What RainBNB uses is a smart contract on the blockchain. All right, so smart contracts are self-executing programs. Very, very important to remember this. Self-executing trustless agreements. There's no need for any interference or any third party to manage it or to tell it to work or to wake it up or anything like that. There's also no emotions involved in the smart contract. It cannot decide who it wants to pay and when it must pay someone. And it cannot decide, listen, I don't like this person, I'm going to skip him this time, I'll pay him next time. No, that is absolutely not possible. Right, so it's self-executing trustless agreements that is stored on the blockchain, okay? They automatically carry out the terms of an agreement when certain conditions are met. This is also very important to remember. When certain conditions are met, there is absolutely no reason or nothing that can hinder this smart contract to pay you once those conditions are met. So for example, if a smart contract can instantly send a payment when somebody joins a referral system without the middleman. And once it's deployed, smart contracts cannot be altered, making them trustless, reliable, and scam-proof. And we know that RainBNB, the smart contract of RainBNB is unchangeable, it's immutable. Nobody can change it, not even the developers can change the smart contracts. If they want to make changes, they must rewrite a totally different new one. And even if they do that, this smart contract will still carry on until the end of time. Right, so together, blockchain and smart contracts power platforms like RainBNB, allowing people to earn and interact financially without banks or admin control. We as human beings, we want freedom, and you don't want to be told what to do. So this is one way of, you don't want to have a central authority handling your money or telling you what to do with your money. So this is peer-to-peer, it's straight. The smart contract manages it for you on your behalf. And it sends the payments directly to the qualified persons. And it sends your money to you when you qualify as well, instantly. Right now, another definition of smart contract is self-executing trustless agreements. So let's look at the word trustless. That means that you don't have to trust a third party, a bank, or a person, or any intermediary that will operate between you and your cryptocurrency transactions or holdings. Right, and we see that smart contracts remove the human element because it doesn't have any emotions. And we all know that when it comes to money and human beings, the emotions starts to go haywire once there are big amounts to be paid out. So then all these trust issues come in. And from all your previous platform experiences, you can think for yourself what happened, what was the reason. Once the money or the people gets too much money, then the owners pull the plug and they stop the program, or they get they fight amongst each other, and that causes issues because of greed and because of this too much money. And that causes everybody not to be paid out or no withdrawals being sent out. Yeah, that factor is totally removed here because the smart contract, it does not have any emotions. It cannot decide where to go or what to do besides what it has been written or coded to do. It will do that and only that. Right now, the mission and the vision of Rain BNB. The mission is to empower and unite individuals through a decentralized community building platform by leveraging smart contracts to facilitate the transparent interactions and mutual benefits. Right, as I said, this is a global platform, and the mission of Rain BNB is to unite individuals worldwide through this smart contract. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this smart contract as the main character in this whole platform, as in this whole system. That will become your best friend at the end of the day, even if it is not a human or a human being. That smart contract manages everything on your behalf for you instantly. It doesn't wait. It doesn't have. You don't have to wake it up. It just manages and does its work when it has to. Right. The vision for Rain BNB is to be the leading platform that revolutionizes community engagement and driving the collective success and innovation in a decentralized ecosystem. This is another word you must understand. You must know this. Right? Decentralized, that is what we want. We do not want a centralized system where there is a single authority in control of your finances. A decentralized ecosystem, that is what you want. That's what you're looking for. There's no single authority person or group of people or management group responsible for the payouts, for the withdrawals. This is totally decentralized. There's nobody in control here. Right? So the motto is to empower each through a global reach. And believe me, this is happening worldwide currently. So let's look at why is Rain BNB 100% risk-free and also 100% scam-free. It is a decentralized platform and a totally unique platform as well. It's also a proper business on its own. Okay, we're saying that it's 100% risk-free, but why? What makes it risk-free? The main reason is because no money is kept on the smart contract that's withdrawable or movable by anybody else, not even the developers. And if you log into this smart contract address on the blockchain, you will get this picture here, and you will always see that the money of the balance is always zero BNB. The reason for it is that it is because all of the BNB that gets paid out to the qualifying members immediately, and that's why this balance is always zero. Right, so that means that nobody can scam you here. There's no reason to do that, because what are they going to steal? What are they going to send to someone else? Because there is nothing available to send to somebody or to withdraw to themselves. This will always be zero. All right, we know many other platforms, they show you the balance, and they want you to think that they've got lots of money on the smart contract, but they have control over that when there is a balance there. Right, here everything gets paid out and distributed immediately, and all of those transactions you can find on this address, on the smart contract, and it is visible. Anybody can go and see it and look at it. It's very transparent as well. There you can follow all the transactions, who gets paid, how much, and all of it. Right, so that makes Rain BNB 100% risk-free. There is absolutely zero risk. So whatever you buy, what positions you buy in RainBnB, you can have peace of mind that it will not be stolen, or you won't put your money into something and you won't get any worth for your money, anything worth for your money. Right, the reasons to join RainBnB, it's a fully decentralized platform. This platform is the first one to have even a fully decentralized application as well. Now, this application is not available on any centralized platform like Google Play Store or the Apple iPhone Store or anything. It is available from your DApp browser or wallet, or from the official Telegram group of RainBnB. Right, you don't need to build a big community, although it is a community building platform. The minimum requirement for you to get paid for a smart contract, to know to pay you in future when you do qualify, is that you need a minimum of referred a minimum of 2 other people with your link, and then you will start receiving more payments and bonuses, and you will see all the qualifying criteria later on in the compensation plan as we carry on. Right, you are also not limited to any working hours, and as I said already, this is a global business. It runs 24/7. You can work on this 24/7 just when you want to, anytime you want to, wherever you want to work from. Nobody can change the smart contract, not even the developers. All right, this is a very important point to remember. We know that many other smart contracts, it gets to a point and then suddenly you want to log in and claim your withdrawal. Then there's nothing, there's no money available anymore. So that means that the owners have withdrawn that money and there's nothing to be claimed. Right, that's not the case in RainBnB. This platform is also not dependent on any website. It operates completely 100% on the blockchain, even if the URLs that you work through on your back office is reported or stopped or blocked or anything, you can still work directly on the smart contract. So that is also, that makes it totally decentralized. Nobody can block this. Nobody can stop this platform. All right, you are your own boss is another reason. You can decide how you want to work, where you want to work, what you want to work, how much you want to achieve, how much you want to earn from this platform. This is a business for a lifetime, and it's only dependent on the internet's existence. There is, besides the internet's existence, nothing that can prevent you from getting paid yet. As long as you have an internet connection, you can work on RainBnB and very successfully. That is basically the only requirement, besides your smart device and all the other registration and so on. But this is the only thing that can stop you from not working in RainBnB if you do not have internet. Right, there's no monthly fees like in other platforms or product-based platforms. There's also no physical products to sell or to ship around. The product in RainBnB is digital, and it is the Binance coin or the BNB coin that is the product. Right, there's also no targets to meet. You do not have to meet any targets weekly, monthly, or anything like that. You work on your own time and you decide your own targets and you set deadlines for yourself. There's also 100% transparency in this platform. Everything is recorded on the blockchain, and you can check everything on the smart contract. Everything is recorded there in real time. Right, this platform, as I said already, is 100% risk-free. You can never lose your money. You can never ever lose your money here. Right, that's the main, very important thing to remember. This platform, or let me say cryptocurrencies, are legal in most countries. But we know that some countries, people still work on it where it's not so legal. Payments are done instantly and sent instantly to your connected wallet. There's no withdrawal request. You don't have to call someone or send a request to get your withdrawal like in other platforms. This is done on your behalf for you. Sometimes you don't even know you got paid, and then when you open your wallet, you see the money there. And when you log into your back office, you see where it comes from. Then you didn't even know that that person upgraded or that your team is growing. but you gotten paid. Right, you don't have to worry about getting paid or making withdrawal requests. You and you alone are in control of your money. The smart contract manages that for you. And as I said earlier on, see the smart contract as your best buddy in Rain BNB, as the main actor here. Right, that is basically like your artificial intelligence agent working for you, or your person that helps you in this platform, although it's not a human being. Right, this is 100% scam free. Nobody can scam you here because there's nothing to be scammed. BNB is already an established cryptocurrency, and that is the coin that RainBNB uses, and it's the fifth strongest one in coin market cap, and that means it's the fifth strongest one worldwide. You don't have to use a new coin or give a new coin any traction or market value, anything like that. They're using an existing cryptocurrency that has a value already, and with a very good lookout on the future and the potential growth there. All right, this platform has got the best compensation plan in the history of this industry. There's no other platform where you can make so much money as in Rain BNB. Right, and then the last reason I said here is because you and I, we want to make money, or we need extra income. And that should be your first reason to look at platforms like this and to look at Rain BNB. Here you can make an unimaginable amount of BNB, and it will only depend on yourself and your work ethics. Right, let's look at the BNB, the coin itself. So BNB was launched in July of 2017 by Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Right, I said already, it's the fifth strongest one globally at the moment. It's got a market cap exceeding $100 billion. Now, the future price of BNB could rise to between $4,000 to $10,000 per BNB coin within the next 2 to 5 years, depending on the market conditions, obviously. And in this year alone, BNB is expected to range between $581 to $1,000, and the average for this year is $790. So yes, this suggests a very significant potential and growth and market stability for Rain BNB, for BNB coin, I mean. So let's look at when BNB was launched. It was obviously, when it was launched, it was 10 cents per coin. So in the last 5 years, the growth has went over 3,600% in 5 years only. Now you can go and compare that to all other commodities and stuff. But as we know, Bitcoin is the main one and wins all of them. But this is not very far behind. The overall growth of BNB is 8,400% since it was launched. Right, and that's in a couple of years. Right, there's no need to build a new coin or a token that has no value, as we've seen in other platforms. And they are launching it, and then at some time they just dump it, and then they create a hype about it. But yeah, it is not the case. You're getting real money that has got real value that we are using in this platform. It's not something fictitious or people are dreaming of. This is real time, real money. Okay, so that has already been done for you, this creating the value for the coins. And you can see what the future predictions are of BNB, I mean. You can also go to CoinMarketCap and read up on BNB itself for more information. Here is a website about the OP-BNB chain and BNB itself. But on CoinMarketCap, you will get a lot of information of all the cryptocurrencies, and there you will get, from the history of BNB, everything, what people are saying, the market trends, everything is there. The values, all of it is there. You can get a lot of information there. Right, so Rain BNB is using the OP-BNB network of the BNB coin. So why are they using that? In in 2023, this network was created, OPBNB, and it was created for two reasons, maybe, or mainly. To make the gas fees, the transaction fees, to keep them low and stable, and also to make the transactions very fast. Right? It's not like we were used to at Bitcoin, same transaction, and sometimes it takes 2 to 3 hours or longer for the transactions to clear. This network or this OPBNB network is lightning fast. Right? The main reasons why they use it is to keep the transaction cost very low and stable and also extremely fast. And if I say fast, it's instant. It's in a couple of seconds. Right, that's that about BNB and the OPBNB network, because most of us are used to the BEP20 network of Binance, or the BAC, Binance Smart Chain is another name for it. Right, let's carry on. The most important features of RainBNB. Again, some of these things are being repeated over and over, so there's a reason for that. There is no ownership control. Nobody is in control of this platform. It's fully decentralized. It's blockchain driven. It's not website driven. There is absolute trust and transparency in this platform. You do not need to trust any human being here, like in other platforms. Right? They will let you down at some stage. It's an unchangeable system, immutable. Nobody can change it. That means it will operate exactly as it was written and supposed to operate the first day it was launched. It will operate like that until the day the internet stopped existing on this earth. It will operate like that until that time. Right. It's got instant payout dispersals, no withdrawal request. The gas fees is low and it's stable, and it will always be low and stable. It doesn't increase over time. Right, it's got a global reach. You can work on this platform 24/7 in any country, anywhere, from anywhere. Right, it's autonomous in operation. When you do register on RainBNB, you do not supply any of your personal data or use your own personal data. No cell phone, no email address, nothing of the personal data is captured anywhere on this registration or on this platform. And we know that these days data is in high demand. So that is also taken care of. You don't have to worry about your data being thrown all around the internet or whatever. Right? This platform is risk, liability, and scam-free platform. There's no risk here. There's no liability. You don't need to sit with products and logistical issues that you need to send products to clients or to members or whatever. And as we've seen, there's no chance of you being scammed here. Right? It's also a reputation building concept. Now we know in previous platforms that you referred a lot of people there and you build big teams, and then the platform collapses and your reputation collapses with that as well. And it's very hard to get your reputation back once it's lost or got some damage. But in RainBNB, this is taken care of as well. There's no chance for it to collapse or to stop or to be withdrawn or shut down by anyone. As long as the internet exists, this platform will carry on working. Right, now again, we look at the word trustless. It means that you don't have to trust a third party, a bank, a person, or any intermediary that can operate between you and your cryptocurrency transactions or links. So simply put, RainBNB is light years ahead of any other platform. Now remember, the smart contract is the main actor or the main character in this platform. And your success is a decision that you need to take yourself. You just need to decide. Right, let's look at common misconceptions about RainBNB. Now, first of all, I want you to look at this picture here. If you have been scammed before, RainBNB was created to remove that risk completely. There is no chance for you anybody being scammed here. There's no admin, there's no empty promises. It's just a system that works for anyone who takes action. But there are most common misconceptions that most people don't understand smart contracts. They don't understand the concept of there's no company, there's no admin. They assume that it's risky if they hear that. The first time I heard it, I was also not understanding it fully, but later on, as I realized how it works, then I understood everything. Most of us are not accustomed to smart contracts or blockchain. We are accustomed to a website in our own on these platforms. Yeah, it is totally different. All right, the main reason, in fact, it's actually much safer and risk-free when there is no company or owner or no admin in control or even available. Right, because there is no human being, no human element involved there. And that's the main thing. RainBnB is fully automated. There is no one in charge. Okay, and that's the main reason why this works. It's fully decentralized. And many people cannot understand or grasp this concept. They still want to call or send an email to a support person or phone somebody. They do not understand or haven't got accustomed to this method of working on the smart contract. Right, people have been burned before. This is another reason for them to be very skeptical. Yes, we have all been there. There's nothing that you can do about that. Right, so people have been burned before, and then they still think that they have the same experience in RainBnB. The trust issue is there now. It comes in there. And we've seen that there is no reason not to trust this. There's no human beings involved. The main character is the smart contract, handling and managing everything in RainBnB. So the RainBnB is totally different from all other platforms. Okay, no one can touch your money. All transactions are instant and it's direct and it's wallet to wallet. It's not from the admin to a wallet. It's not from an office to a wallet or from a central account to a wallet. It's from wallet to wallet directly, peer to peer. The money gets to the smart contract, it gets distributed immediately to the qualifying members' wallet. Right, and then also online reviews say that it's a scam. But they don't understand how the Web3 or Web3 works. Web3 is basically blockchain and smart contracts. So this contract is public, it's verified, and it can't be changed or shut down, not even by the developers. Right, when people want to do that, and it's good to do your own research, but do it on the right places and speak to the right people. We know and we have become accustomed that you run to YouTube for anything, and people are getting paid to put up reviews on YouTube. And if you click on those reviews and you watch those things, then YouTube pays those people for putting up bad news or misinformation. And most of the times, those people, they use it as clickbait for you to see other advertisements or to buy something from themselves. And that's the reason why they're doing these things. Because as human beings, we are drawn to negative things that attracts our attention very fast. You rather look at the negative thing than at the positive thing, because negative thing, human beings, they thrive on negativity, some of them. They do not use their brains all of the time and read behind the lines or go deeper and ask the right people. You will get reviews that is negative. But as I said, those reviews are mainly for other reasons that they're putting it there. Those people want to make money, or they're making money by doing these reviews. And YouTube pays them for your views that you are giving them. So do not try to refrain from looking up these reviews. Right. They're also worried about not earning. These are people that want to join. They're worried that they will not earn. But the thing is that if you do not put in the work, you cannot expect to get paid. Right? Yeah, as we said already that you only need to refer a minimum of 2 people for you to start to earn profit and to get more bonuses and payments. Right? You don't need to refer the whole world, but you are encouraged to do that. All right. And it scales up from there as you upgrade. So you will start your income will double by level, and we'll look at it later on. All right. They also find it hard to believe that you can earn millions by starting on a small amount. Right? This has been achieved already by many members worldwide, and they are earning more, that has earned more than 100 BNB already, and much more. Right? You only pay once as well. And the registration or the startup fee is about $3. There's no monthly cost ever. It's simple. This platform is smart, and it works. And it only works if you take action. No one can ever expect anything from life if they do not take action or bring their side. And all of us, we know at least 2 people who needs extra income or a full-time income. And you know your people better than I do, and I know my people better than most other people. So you know who this might work for and who not. Right, so this people, I don't understand why people, everyone, they're crying for money. We all need money. But this is the biggest issue always, I have to refer people. Yes, there's no business with closed doors that's making money. Any business needs clients, needs business, needs feet. That's how you create income or profit. All right. Let's look at this. Why is RainBnB the best? And it's really easy, actually. It's 100% managed by the smart contract. There's no human controlling this. The smart contract cannot be changed by anyone. There's no money that is kept on a smart contract which can be sent to anyone else. That makes this platform totally 100% risk-free and scam-free. All right. This will basically guarantee that you will get paid if you meet these 3 requirements of the smart contract. Not the requirements of the CEO or the whoever or of your upline. The smart contract decides who gets paid. There's no issues. You will make money if you just follow these simple steps. You register, obviously, you need to register. You need to refer a minimum of 2 people with your link to qualify for further payments. And then you upgrade to receive more BNB. All right? So do not overcomplicate it. It's not so complicated to make real money and change your financial status. If you just keep to these basics, do these basics right first. Most people can afford $3, and most people, they have internet connection and a smartphone or a smart device. Yes, so basically there is actually no excuse for anyone not to be in RainBnB. Right, but how do you start in RainBnB? For you to become a successful internet entrepreneur, you can follow these 4 steps. This platform alone will pave a way for you, for your success and your growth, if you meet the requirements, the easy requirements of the smart contract. All right, so moreover, we offer valuable learning resources and guidance to ensure your success as an entrepreneur. First of all, you need to download any Web3 wallet that supports the OPBNB network. Now, there are many different wallets on the market available to us. Many of us are already using these wallets, but we have seen in our experience that SafePal is the most recommended one and the most user-friendly one. You can obviously use any other wallet that you are accustomed to, but SafePal has got the most, or is the most user-friendly. Right? It's also got other features that the other wallets do not have. But you download your Web3 wallet. Very important that you need to write down your 12 words for each wallet that you open on that application. And you keep that wallet, those 12 words, you keep those 12 words in a very safe place. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the only way for you to get access to your wallet if you ever lose access to it. With that 12 words, you can get your access back, because you don't want to sit with $500 or $1,000 in your wallet and you can't get access to it, or because you lost your words. Make sure that you write them down Don't take screenshots, don't take photos and store them on the internet or email them to yourself. If hackers get hold of that, then they can access your funds and they have full access to that. They don't even need your PIN or your password. Right, once you have downloaded your wallet, you fund it with the minimum of 0.0044 BNB, and that's approximately $2.50. So yes, then you register with the referral link of the person who invited you, and then you upgrade to the highest rank that you can afford at that time. And then you start building your team and make them to follow you as well in the same manner. And we'll look about that in a little more detail very soon. Right, now here's the compensation plan. The minimum requirements for you to start getting payments is that you must register with this minimum amount, but it's recommended to start with 0.005, and that's about $3, or at least higher, to increase more payments. But we recommend you to start at least on Ambassador, actually as high as you can, Pioneer, Mentor. But Ambassador will cost you about in the region of $30. And there's a specific reason for that, because if you do that and your team follows you, because they will do that, you will make money much faster and much more money than only starting on beginner. Although it's not impossible for you to make a huge success if you only start on beginner and your team follows you. But many of us have done it. But we have also seen that if you start on a higher rank and your team follows you, it's like sometimes unbelievable how fast it can go and how good it can go. You must refer a minimum of 2 other people directly with your link. These are the only 2 musts, or 3 musts actually, and you must upgrade to receive more payments. So you can make 1 million excuses or you can make $1 million. That is your choice, and you can decide which one you want to make. And wealth is the result of wise choices. It's not luck. All right, and we see how we spell wealth here. Not luck. It's actually WORK, work. You need to work. You need to put in the work. Right, here's the, excuse me, the package cost for the packages in RainBnB. There are 15 ranks or levels of packages. So you start on beginner, and that will cost you in the region of $2.50. Then is the price from beginner to influencer. As we said, we recommend you to start on at least one of these ranks. Here are the prices in dollar value and in rand value. This was calculated when BNB was around $600, so it will be much more today, because just before this meeting, BNB was trading at $647 per BNB coin, so it will be slightly more. Maybe around $32, $33 around there for Ambassador. Right, so if you can upgrade straight from beginner to creator if you want to do that. That means you will just need to refer 2 people and you will qualify to receive all the bonuses. Excuse me. Here are the costs, and you can decide where you can fit in, where you can start. Now you can decide if you want to build it up organically by referring people, or you want to use money out of your own pocket to upgrade as well. Because that is also a question that we get in that many members do not understand always. You can upgrade as high as you can, even before you have your 2 referrals or any referral. But you need your 2 referrals to start earning and to start receiving more payments. Right. There is 6 types of bonuses in RainBnB. The first one is your 10% referral bonus. Then there's your 69% direct referral bonus. And also your 69% upgrading bonus, 1.5% recurring level bonus, your royalty bonus for the royalty ranks, and then the last one is your lifestyle bonuses. So the 10% referral bonus, you will receive 10% from every direct referral that you register on your link. Excuse me. This means we've seen now that you need a minimum of 2 people, but we recommend you to refer as many as possible, because it will benefit not only yourself, it will benefit your team as well. because those people will, when they will upgrade to your team members and to you as well. So do not keep to the minimum. Aim for as high as you can and as many as you can. Now, from one direct, if he upgrades all the way to creator rank, you will receive in the region of 10 BNB. Now, if you take that compared to today's BNB price, you will receive $6,470 from one referral in this 10% referral bonus only. If that one direct upgrades all the way to creator, and you only need to be on an influencer then. That's the only requirement. You must be on influencer rank. And then you will receive your 10% always, all the way, from all your direct referrals. Even if they do upgrade higher than yourself, you will still receive the 10% upgrade bonus. Right, so it's recommended to refer as many as possible as you can, and there's also more benefits and bonuses that will open up for you because of the requirements for those bonuses. That they require you to have more directs. Right now, the 69% direct referral bonus. This one is basically on your beginners when your direct referrals joins you in the beginning, or when they register, you receive 69% of the basic package cost of every direct referral. All right, every person that uses your link, you will receive this amount, 0.00276 BNB. All right, so even if you refer 10 people, you will get that amount. If you refer 100, you will get 0.276 BNB. Keep in mind the BNB value always stays the same. The rand or the dollar value and the fiat currency value, that is the thing that changes and differs each and every day. But the BNB value stays the same always. So if you look at this 100, if you refer to 100 people, this will be around in the region of $200 maybe. Now that might be much money for you, but it will not change your life yet. All right, so refer as many as you can because you are going to receive from their referrals and more. Let's look at the big money, the biggest income in the Rain BNB. This is life-changing income. This is 69% upgrading bonus. All right, now this chart was drawn up when BNB was at $651 per BNB. And that was on the 21st of May. Right, we have 15 ranks. You already said everything doubles per rank or per level. The number of people required on that level, the number or the cost, the upgrading cost doubles basically, but so does your income. Doubles, and you can see just what the effect of that is. And this is what you can earn from one position in Rain BNB. 1.48 million BNB coins. Now you must times that by, or multiply that by $650 now. That will give you a ballpark figure of how much, and this was at 651. So if you can pronounce this figures, you can know how much you can earn from one position only. Take note that most people, if you aim for the stars, you hit the moon or whatever, né? If you do not reach this, you will, even if you just reach 10% of this, or even 5%, or even if you only make 1,000 BNB or 500 BNB, that is still very life-changing and it will make a big difference in your life. But aim for the as high as you can. Right, so if you join on your influencer rank on your second level, there is place for 4 people, but you will see it much better. This is your binary matrix. There is 2 matrices in the compensation plan. The binary matrix, this is where you get your upgrading bonus from. And yes, place for, it's 15 levels deep. It starts on your first level. It's you, and then your first level, there's place for 2 people. Then underneath is your second level. Underneath each of those 2, there is place for 2 positions only. And that gives you your second level 4 positions. And you will earn when these people upgrade to influencer, you will earn their bonus. The same happens on your level 3. There's place for 8 positions, and when they upgrade to achiever rank, it goes to you. When your 4th level upgrades to ambassador rank, which is your 4th level, and there's place for 16 positions, they will pay you the upgrade fee. And here is the upgrade fee. So on ambassador rank, you can look in the region of about $10 per upgrade. So multiply that by 16, that will give you in the region of $160, $170. Now, Pioneer, you will receive basically double everything. As I said, everything doubles per rank. So your income from a Pioneer on your level 5 will be in the region of $20. And on Mentor, you will receive about $40. But I also said that the number of positions doubles as well. So here you receive from 16 people around $10. But on the next level you receive, or rank, you receive 32 times $20. Keep in mind that you must be on that rank or higher to receive from the levels below you. If you are not on that rank, the payments will skip you and it will go to your upline who is qualified. But ladies and gentlemen, if you look at $80 times 128, on example of when you are on champion, there's 128 people that will pay you each in the region of $86. When they upgrade to champion, and that is your level 7, and that comes to the amount of around $11,000, which I don't think anybody will say no to. That can make a huge difference in your financial situation. So yes, but we do not stop there. You just carry on. Director, Titan, everything just doubles, and it becomes insane the amount of money that you can make here. Remember, the main thing that we are here today is because we are wanting to create more income or create wealth for ourselves. Right? This is just this is the biggest bonus in Rain BNB. This is the life-changing money. I already talked to you. This is how your matrix is set up, your binary matrix. The smart contract places all the positions. You don't have to choose that. You cannot choose them. You don't have to request it or anything. The smart contract decides from top to bottom, left to right. It just completes your matrix, your tree, your binary tree. Right now, this is the 1.5% recurring level bonus. Basically a type of a passive income. And this is a different matrix than the binary one. Here you receive 1.5%. And this is basically from your directs. That is why we also said refer as many directs as you can. And this will be an unlimited uni-level line. This is your level 1. And then your directs, when they start referring people, that will be your level 2. And you will receive, when you are on influencer rank and you have 2 directs as influencer as well, you qualify to receive 1.5% from your level 2 to level 15 in this matrix. So believe me, that makes a huge difference, and it might seem small. It might seem very small, 1.5%, but this is a screenshot of an account that started on the 16th of January when this contract was launched. And in only that time, I think this was about 2 or 3 months, it accumulated 2.3 BNB, and that was the value, $1,387. So do not despise this 1.5%. Refer as many as possible with your own link and build your team as big as you can, because this will definitely pay you on the long run, even though it is very small. It looks small. But remember, you need to be on an influencer rank, and that's your second level, second rank, and you need to have 2 directs on influencer rank as well. Then you qualify for this bonus. All right, then you will see the raindrops in your wallet. The raindrops in BNB. All right, the royalty bonus. This one pays you from icon rank. That is the royalty ranks. It starts from icon, legend, emperor, conqueror, chancellor, and creator. Now take note, to qualify for this bonus, you must have 2 directs, and that is compulsory for this royalty bonus. That's the same as the basic minimum requirement. But there are other bonuses as well that we'll look at now. Right, so anyone will receive twice the amount of the total investment from all or any income. And then this bonus will stop. So if you are, and you will only receive it from the highest rank that you are on. If you are on Emperor, you will only receive the 0.6% from Emperor rank. And this gets paid out to you every 24 hours. So you will not receive Legend and Icon rank. When the one stops, it will only pay out twice of what you invested here. And then you need to upgrade, and then it will start again, pay you that 1% again. Right. This you need to claim every 24 hours in your back office under the royalty and rewards tab or section. So where does this money come from? There's 3.5% of the total income of RainBnB gets distributed between these ranks for this royalty bonus. Right, and you just need to claim it every 24 hours. This is a very type of this is a passive income here, and you can keep it there and use that money over a couple of years, because BNB price is predicted to increase as well and appreciate. So that is another way for you to increase your income and use that money to either upgrade or to just bank your BNB and store it wherever you want to, because the price is increasing and it will increase in the years to come. Right, the last lifestyle bonus here is the lifestyle bonus, and this is an added bonus in RainBnB. There are 5 different clubs in this lifestyle rewards. So let's look at each of them in detail. First one is your Prime Club, and many members have achieved this already. I think 182 if I look early on in the platform. And here you will receive 0.5% daily, and that gets paid out to you on a weekly basis until you reach the amount of $3,000 in BNB. You do not get the $3,000 immediately. You get it paid out to you weekly until you receive $3,000. All right. To qualify for this bonus, you need to be on the director yourself, and you need to have 5 directs as champions. And they all need to be qualified after 16 January 2025. Now, this you need to claim manually weekly in your back office under the royalty and the rewards tab as well. So once you receive a total of $3,000 in BNB, this bonus will stop. But even if you upgrade to the next bonus, qualify for the next bonus, this one will still carry on paying up until it reaches $3,000. Right, so your elite club is the next one. Here you receive also 0.5% until you accumulate $25,000 in BNB. The qualifying criteria is you need to be on Conqueror yourself, and you must have 3 directs as emperors. Take note the amount of directs: 5, 3, 5, 7, and then 10. So another reason to refer as many as possible with your own link, and then to work with them and to carry them with you and support each other. Right, the Royal Club. Here you receive 0.2% on a daily, and that gets paid out to you weekly until you receive $50,000 in BNB. You need to be on a Chancellor yourself and have 5 directs as Conqueror. All right, then Crown Club. Here you will receive 0.15% daily that will be paid out to you on a weekly basis up until you receive $100,000 in BNB. Here you need to be on the last rank, which is Creator, and you must have 7 directs as Chancellor. Okay, and then the last club, the top bonus in RainBnB is your Supreme Club. Here you will receive 0.15% that gets paid out to you daily. Paid out, you receive it on a daily basis, but it gets paid out to you weekly until you receive $500,000 in BNB. Here you need to be on a creator rank yourself, and you must have 10 directs as creators as well. So the funds, I already said, comes from all the registrations and upgrades in RainBnB and is already budgeted for in the smart contract. So there's no extra funds going to this or separate funds. Everything that comes into the platform is 100% calculated for, and it is budgeted for. So there's no funds that gets hidden, or everything is transparent and it's available on the blockchain to see for yourself. There's no extra funds that this bonuses are getting paid out from. Everything comes from the registrations and upgrades. Right now, the future roadmap of RainBnB, they are looking at launching some of these projects around September, October this year. We don't know much about them yet. They are talking about their own gaming token, their own exchange, own trading bot, gaming projects, own blockchain, and also other Web3 projects. So yes, that is another thing to look out for the future. And here, your community that is active will benefit, and you will not need to build a new community for these projects and products. So we are looking forward to seeing what they have in store for us here. And as we get more news and updates about this, everybody will be informed. Right, now here's just the difference between starting on a beginner on the left. These two accounts started on beginner last year, September. And these two accounts on the right on ambassador rank in March of this year. Right, this one started on, and these two grew organically from the $2.50 by that time. And it referred most of the people with beginners, and it reached Titan rank in 4 months. It used the upgrade funds, made upgrade funds to the amount of about $7,000, and it paid about $900 to upgrade to Titan in that period of time. So you can see that it is possible. This one as well, it made 4.2 BNB, and it upgraded to champion. Took it 7 months. So it's not impossible. You just need to commit and work hard, long hours, but it is definitely possible. But look at the difference here now. Starting on ambassador only, not even pioneer or mentor, which will go much faster and you get much more income there. Started your ambassador with 30, by that time it was $30. Went to director in 14 days, and director is your 8th rank, and it's just 1 rank below Titan, which it took this one 4 months. This one took 2 weeks to get to director rank. Right, used from its funds, it accumulated $456 to upgrade to director, and it made $1,170. Same with this one, took a short time to reach this rank of mentor, 4 days. So that's the main difference. You can upgrade faster, you can make more income by starting on a higher level. All right, as high as you can, and let your team follow the same and do the same. Now the question we always get is, show me the money. Show me the money. I want to see the money first, then I'll join you. I believe many of us have heard that story or that line. People, when you get paid in RainBnB, you get paid directly to your Web3 wallet, your connected wallet. Then you already got paid. The issue from sending your money from your wallet to your bank is not an issue of RainBnB. There is an issue of you sending it to an exchange wallet and just swapping it for your fiat currency. But I did include it here for people to see, and there's lots of other examples and proof of this as well. We must remember that people, as I said earlier on with the misconceptions, most people, they are not familiarized with smart contracts, and most people are not familiarized with crypto. So if they do not know that, they still think you use your bank account and go straight there. So yes, we need to be tolerant with people and educate them, and because they do not all understand, but that is possible, and there's many examples of this. So yes, it is definitely possible. Right, now the question you need to ask yourself, seriously, is the next questions. What is your why? Why are you joining this? Why did you join this? Why do you want to join this? Why? The main reason is because we need finances, we need money to look after your wives. I want to go and climb a mountain, or I want to go on a boat trip around the sea, around the world, on sea. Or I want to put my children through university, or I want to be independent and work for myself. Whatever your why is, you can achieve that with RainBnB only. If you commit, if you have the right mindset, and if you follow the basic requirements of the smart contract. So what are you waiting for now? The best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time is now. And we see even in the Bible, if you're going to wait, the Bible tells us that if you're going to wait for the right time, it's never going to be there. We're not going to have any results then. Because it says, "He who watches the wind, it does not sow." If you're looking at all the circumstances around you that will prevent you from taking action, you won't reap any harvest. You won't be successful. All right, and he who looks at the clouds, it does not reap. So don't think now I'm on a plant and now the rain is coming, it's going to wash away everything. I'm not going to plant now. Carry on. Do what you need to do, because the perfect time is not going to be ever. The perfect time is now. Right, so get back to the person that invited you. If you have any more answers or want to get more information, reach out to the person who invited you or your upline, and then take action and start with RainBnB. So here you can build a business that can pay you for the rest of your life. And we know that, look at this picture here. Your intelligence will not solve poverty. Only your action will. And you need to take action. All right. We tend to get too clever sometimes, and we want to reason it out. Why I cannot do this? Why I personally don't understand. I will look for 20 reasons not to do something to become successful, but I will not look at 5 reasons that will make me successful. And in RainBnB, you don't have any reason not to be successful. As I said, the only thing that can prevent you from having success is if you do not have an internet connection. That's the only thing. So get back to the person who invited you and let it RainBnB. And I want to thank you for that. Let me just stop here.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much to Johan. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, everyone present here. And it was a very nice presentation, Johan. You elaborate things very, very crystal clear to people. And many thanks to you for taking out your time and coming and sharing this wonderful, amazing business model opportunity presentation for RainBnB to all our joint, people as well as the new guests. Ladies and gentlemen, just piece of simple advice I would like to share with you, especially to those guys who have joined very first time today. It's very, very difficult for anyone, no matter how experienced you are from this kind of industry, to understand RainBnB opportunity while seeing once the presentation. I would suggest you strongly that please take out some more time, do your due diligence study, go through the PDF, ask for the PDF from your introducer, and maybe the recording presentation session also you can ask your introducer to provide you, or maybe you can go to YouTube and find so many presentations of RainBnB in different languages, go through them again. And should you have any questions related to the concept, platform, compensation plan, do get back to your introducer, or else you can join our training session that happens twice in a week. Tomorrow is going to be one. Same time, same link, and we will definitely help you clarify all your doubts and questions. One thing is pretty sure, RainBnB is a system that can change anyone's life. Your life can get changed as well, provided you understand the concept, you take daily regular actions towards this business. This is a business which is very, very revolutionary, innovative, and it's going to give you huge mileage in terms of accumulating, earning absolutely complimentary BNB Binance coin without investing your own money and accumulating BNB. Rather, you can earn BNB by just doing some contribution. Initially, you just have to register yourself with the beginner package, and then straight away, I would suggest you to upgrade yourself to mentor, champion, or maybe in the worst case, depending upon the financial, situation of yours, with Pioneer, and keep duplicating this. Bring in two good people and get this process duplicated, and you will see BNB is really rushing and raining into your wallet like anything. You know, there is a saying that goes very well. There is nothing more expensive in the world than the missed opportunity. So never miss this wonderful opportunity that can be a game changer for you. Do your studies, due diligence, go through the project, and I'm sure if you will look into it with positive mindset, you will have a different kind of, twinkling in your eyes and enthusiasm, and you will have the goosebump to get this business, started at the earliest and to make a difference in your life as well as in your people's life. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow in the training session. Till then, goodbye, good day, good night, and good luck to you all.